Good afternoon. So I just went to Menards, got some paint, kind of a last minute idea. I got one of my wheels back from the machine shop because the previous owner, his daughter, hit a pothole and actually cracked the wheel. So right now I got the wheel all cleaned up. I just sprayed a base layer of primer, and then after that I'm gonna spray the color. You can probably already guess what kind of color it is. So I want metallic gold, and I got a clear coat for it. So once I get it on, I'll show you guys. Got the spare wheel off the E36 that was bent. Took it down to the local shop and they straightened it out. You can see under here. And they welded it up for me. So that really helped a lot. See some more welds over here. So now it's not leaking. Right now I got a base layer of white on there. It's a primer. They're actually gonna go with this metallic gold, so hopefully it's gonna look all right. I use the heat gun to try and speed up the process. It's a really nice gold. Actually sprayed on there really nicely. There's a chrome lip that goes over here, so you won't see all the spots where they had to heat it up to bend the wheel back. I got 2 solid coats on there now. So the wheel's completely covered. Let this dry overnight, and then tomorrow morning I'm gonna spray it with some clear coat to make it really shine, but I'm actually pretty happy with it. I've seen some other ones online and they actually didn't look that good. So I'm pretty happy that I did it. Got a really nice gloss to it though. Just got out of work. Got the coils in the mail. Some fucking ching chong eBay shit. Do you approve?
Yeah, that'll work.
Started a little project last night. Kind of see it. That'll be another video though. Started messing around with wheel color. I think this is going to be the color that I like. So we'll go ahead and put the car in the air. Alright, so we're starting off by taking off the front wheels. I'm going to paint them here probably a couple minutes. Get them prepped at least. We're going to start on the front first because it looks a little bit easier. Just got to undo 2 bolts here in the back. Here, all these lines, up top mounts. There's one in the middle mount too. I heard it was kind of a bitch too, but we'll get it done. There's brake pad sensors, that all comes off. So, all right, got the strut out.
Technically, they're already set.
Require a little bit of heat. What's up?
They're technically already set. Ours don't come all together like this. We got to put it all together.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And then what you do is you tighten it by hand, this top one, until it stops, and then you tighten this right up to it. And then after you do that, then you try to fit this in between them, and that gives you like a 1/4 inch or whatever the fuck it is, and that gives you, and then you set it up to that.
Okay.
That's how you set the preload for our shit.
Okay.
On BC's website.
So preload's set, so now I can actually set the height by spinning this into here.
Yep.
Okay. We gotta go low, boys. I mean, overall, this car's actually not in too bad of shape. Got Tiana over here helping me out. Got Bean over here. She's taping off the chrome lip on the M3 wheels so that when I paint them, I'm actually painting only the centers and not the outer lip.
It's fucking gay.
You have anti-seize?
I do, yeah.
You're gonna want that.
Who calls it anti-seize?
The copper anti-seize shit? You're gonna want that.
Alright, got James over here about to put the coil up into the car.
Damn, this bitch is a hard pillow ball mount.
Oh yeah. eBay, bro. eBay. It's trash.
This is McCormick shit. That fucked my neck and my back. You want that shit on the back, right?
Yeah. thing before was between these.
The what?
This goes between like in here.
Like this?
Yep. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, but I got them old.
Yeah.
Just got the old one out. My man Jaw putting the new one in. Hey, you didn't set the camera, did you?
No, we're presetting it before. I'm sure. Make sure we're doing it the right way.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that top mount kind of sucked, huh? A little tight.
No, it's two in the back and one in the front. So here.
Yeah.
This. Two in the back.
Bro, if you break my
we want
brake
the
line,
camber. Something like that.
how tight that boy is. Yeah. He's rusty as fuck, too.
You put a new brake line on your rear?
Yeah.
Is that a bitch?
Hey, we'll see it. I ran the line and C-Walk finished it for me. Right here, actually got to keep the old,
The actual
line, yeah. There you go. There's our line going there, all the way up. We had to connect it right there. See, the whole one broke. Actually worked out pretty good because now I have a mount there that I can use for when I do my handbrake.
Get SPC rear lowers.
Yeah.
They're fucking awesome.
It's stiff.
Stiff, and you can adjust it. They're fully adjustable.
Yeah, he comes on me too.
How's it going?
Great. Are you supposed to look at the camera or look away?
So we got the bottom springs off and the new shocks, the adjustable shocks on. We got this man over here, the fucking pry bar, prying him out, almost killed us.
Yeah, right.
That's it.
We got James over here right now, trying to change the bolts on the top of the shock. This is the old
Why is he
shocks here. Man, they were freaking blown out.
Why is he wearing his teeth anymore?
We had to cut the carpet out to get access to the bolt holes because we were not about to take out all that carpet. Way too much work. So right now we're gonna raise it up and we're gonna install the springs with the adjustable dampers on them.
eBay shit, but it'll work.
eBay, bro.
Eliminate some body roll.
Isn't that what that fucking kids do with the vehicle they start out?
We're over here painting the wheels metallic gold. Waiting for the metallic to dry, and then I will be clear coating them. But they actually look really fucking good though.
Oh yeah. You got one little run right there.
Oh yeah,
The Pry Daddy.
oh lord.
Is it the gas tank?
Yes, that's a gas tank.
Yeah, they like mowed the lawn or something and crap.
Took it.
Where you going?
I'm not. Okay.
350 over here, still bumperless. But
Get a bash bar.
it's gonna get bash bar, it's gonna get painted.
You don't want to go into your home or what? The fuck?
That's your home, go in it.
There we go.
You good?
These are funky.
It does sit kind of weird, dude.
No, I wouldn't bring it down too much because don't forget we gotta jack this up so that can reach all the way to fuck down there.
That's a far ass fuck way too.
You see it?
You could probably pull that
Right here,
out.
Joe?
Yeah, we'll be able to press it with the trans jack.
Silicone? Gasket maker?
Nut?
You use gasket maker?
Yes, I did.
Fuck it.
Worked amazing.
It's on there.
Ain't coming off.
No, you killed it.
Is he for real?
Yeah.
I'll be like, Brian was using it, which he was, so don't care.
Let's see how it is.
Come on, tuck.
Holy shit.
That's a lot better.
Stickers, man.
Hey, you got that jet crew fitment now.
Back, man.
Yeah, that was
That's good enough, dude.
Back to the
He's Turn nasty low, bro.
Don't worry about it.
Probably the pressure. Hey, that thing
So I'm happy with the eBay coils. They're alright. But I am gonna lower the back because I mean it's not monster truck height, but it's not tucked. So we're gonna lower it like probably an inch because they are gonna settle about half an inch. So overall it'll be an inch and a half. But overall, I mean, for what I paid for the coils, like $187 or something, it's definitely worth it. Those Max Peating Rod coils. They don't ride as bad as I thought they would. And they're actually pretty quiet too. No squeaks so far.